Fauzia Begum from class 7.
I am Speta Lakshmi from the same class.
We are here to explain our project Simple Pendulum. There are 4 principles in which this simple pendulum work. They are oscillation, amplitude, time period and frequency.
Oscillation. When the ball starts to swing, it's called to and fro motion. This is called oscillation.
The extreme extension of the pendulum is known as amplitude. Time period. The time taken for a complete oscillation is known as time period.
The number of oscillation taken in 1 second is called frequency. Actually, the simple pendulum idea was given by Galileo Galilei, but it was discovered in 1656 by Christiana Huygens.
We also made a project for this Newton's third law. Newton's third law is nothing but every action has the opposite and equal reaction. That is, when we make this ball to hit this ball hits this ball and this ball again hits this. From this we are coming to know that Newton's third law. Thank you.